In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in Microsoft Loop. We'll walk through this straightforward process step by step, so you'll have your checkboxes ready in no time. Whether you're organizing a list of tasks or just jotting down ideas, checkboxes are a fantastic tool to keep everything neat and manageable. First, let's get started by opening up your preferred internet browser. Once you've done that, you'll want to head over to the Microsoft Loop application. Simply type Microsoft Loop into your search bar and hit Enter. This should bring you straight to the main page where you can access all the features Microsoft Loop has to offer. Once you've found Microsoft Loop in your browser, the next step is to sign in. If you're not already logged into your account, go ahead and do so now. Enter your credentials and sign in to ensure you have access to all your projects. This will allow you to make edits and additions, like the checkboxes we're focusing on today. If you're new to Microsoft Loop, you'll need to create an account, which is quite simple and just takes a moment. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the specific Loop page where you want to add your checklist. This is essential because the checkboxes need to be added within an existing context, whether it's a team collaboration board or your personal planning page. Once you've navigated to the correct page, take a look at the area where you want to insert your checkbox. As you hover over the desired section, you should see a little plus sign appear. This plus sign is your go-to for adding new elements and features to your board. Click on that plus sign to reveal a menu of options. From here, you'll see several choices for different elements you can add. Since we're focusing on inserting checkboxes, you'll want to select the option labeled Checklist. This option will allow you to create a new checkbox that you can use for a variety of purposes. After selecting Checklist, you should see a new checkbox appear right where you wanted it. You can now label it as needed and even add additional items to create a comprehensive checklist. And there you have it. You've successfully added a checkbox to your Microsoft Loop page. This process is easy to repeat, so feel free to add as many sections of checkboxes as you need to keep your projects organized. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of productivity tools like Microsoft Loop. Until next time, happy organizing!